In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in Webflow. So start by opening up your project in Webflow Designer and go to the page where you want your list to be. Now once inside that page, click on the Add button in the left panel and here look for the list element. So here all you have to do is drag your list or this list block onto your page, and this will automatically create bullet points with list items. And in list settings, you can choose whether you want an unordered list or ordered. But for bullet points, you may want to choose the unordered list. Also, make sure that for the style, you choose bullets. Now, here you can start clicking on each of the list items and type in your text. Then press enter to add more bullets. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!